Hi and welcome to the Ideal Home Show YouTube channel. My name is Declan
And my name's Michelle.
and together we are the Scottish Interior Podcast. So today we're going to be covering an array of topics, starting with renovation real talk
Design dilemmas.
and trends that we are loving right now. We have design dilemmas from the DMs. Now let's see what the people are asking for, Michelle.
Absolutely.
So the first one is, I absolutely love this one. My partner wants grey everything. Please help.
Okay, so grey is very much last year. Yeah, it's very much gone. So the dilemma is over. So just tell your partner that you must not do grey. In all seriousness, I get that some people have still got pieces of furniture that they want to use and incorporate into a new scheme. However, you can mix greys with neutrals and you can introduce some brown tones, some neutrals, and yeah, that will lift the grey from being just completely grey and cold. So yeah.
So this might lead us on to our next question in the inbox. Can I mix metals or is it madness?
Yes, you can. So yeah, it used to be that you had to have all of your hardware and all of your lamps and everything had to be completely chrome or shiny and everything had to be matching, but absolutely not. Yeah, we can mix. And I think what I really love just now is the softness of the metals that are available. So you've got the bronze, you've got the coppers, you've got the antique brass, but you can also mix in the sort of muted silvers in there as well. So yeah, definitely.
And next up, and I actually like this one a lot, I'm struggling for inspiration in my home. Where is best to start and where should I go to?
This is really interesting because there's a huge debate about Pinterest for interior designers. Some people love it, some people hate it. I think it's a good place for inspiration, but you've got to be real with it. Pinterest gives you a lot of ideas, but you end up going down quite a big rabbit hole with it. And sometimes you don't know if that's going to be spatially right for your space. So yeah, it's good for inspo. But also, like now we've got lots of tools with AI. So ChatGPT, for example, can give you some ideas on visuals for your home, for your garden, etc. But also
there is actually so many good series out there with people actually following through with designing a ChatGPT garden and actually taking it for the beginning. So guys, thank you for watching. For more videos like this and top tips, you can follow us over on social media at Scottish Interior or stream the podcast on YouTube and Spotify.